Food. It's just something that most of us have every single day of our lives. It's so important and can mean so many different things to people. But do you think about it often? Like, how did it end up on your plate? And what happens to it after? You might answer these questions based on your culture. For example, there's specific traditions, habits, and beliefs that may consciously or subconsciously influence your behaviors. These cultures may have developed thousands of years ago and have evolved throughout history, or have just recently come about. Okay, wait, how did we get from this to this? Science and technology is truly amazing. You know what else is amazing? How our bodies can turn this piece of bread into energy. And now we can function. There's no doubt that nutrition is powerful and can impact our health. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that food is cool, and I want to learn more about it. My name is Coco, I'm a dietetics student at TMU, and I feel like I don't know enough about food even though I have a whole degree on it. I have a lot of questions about food, so maybe I can do some research and find answers? I don't know, we'll find out. So come join me. I promise videos won't be too long. Alright, stay tuned and see you soon.